pelvis rounded. This is gentle but powerful. I promise this stretch counters hours of slouching and helps reset your breathing rhythm. Beginners stay low with a soft gaze. Advanced stretches walk hands in slightly and lift the chest higher. Your diaphragm opens more when winding. Drop your right ear toward your right shoulder. Slowly roll your head forward, chin toward just a bit more, around to the left. Big, slow circles. Breathe. Now just open your front body. Let's soften the back. Sit tall and bring your right knee into your chest. Wrap your arms around it and gently pull in. This is more than a stretch. It's emotional. It's like telling your body, I've got you. I promise this will release tension in your lower back that's been hiding since this morning. Advanced stretches, try adding light pressure with your fingertips. Tight hip flexors often pull. Imagine that stress hanging forward all day. This undoes that load. Keep going for 5 more seconds. Really feel each curve. Can you feel where your neck resists? That's where your tension hides. Now let's drop deeper into the release. Sit tall, drop your right ear toward your right shoulder. This time, hold. Keep the opposite shoulder relaxed. After 30 seconds, switch more seconds. Breathe into the release. Can you relax not just physically, but mentally? This is where stored up emotion often hides. I promise releasing this tension isn't just about flexibility. It's about mental clarity. You rock side to side, stretch by placing your hand gently. This one is powerful for your nervous system. Send your opposite arm out at a diagonal for more length. Neck tension can limit blood flow to your brain. This helps bring it back. 5 more seconds. Breathe into the tightness. Do you feel the pull under your ear and jaw? That's your stress signal easing up. That just unlocked your upper traps. Now let's go after the shoulder joints. Hug. 5 more seconds. Do you feel the weight lifting off your lower back? That just resets your spine. Now we melt the tension in your shoulders. Shoulders after hours or years of slouching forward. Hips stay high. Free shoulders equals free breath equals free energy. Beginners stay standing or seated. Advanced stretches is all about your upper body, the chest and whole tall posture. And do tension you didn't even realize you were carrying in your most common causes of chronic neck pain. Last 5 seconds, keep the shoulder relaxed. Can you? The shoulders are emotional storage. That's alignment returning. That's shoulder freedom. Now let's expand your entire chest. Clasp your hands behind your back. You're right at the release point. Feel that upper pull in your chest. Hold a towel between your hands. This might be the most important stretch you do today. Why? Because it reverses everything modern life throws at your body. I promise this one stretch can help reduce anxiety, boost confidence, and even improve your breathing before the day begins. Beginners keep arms low and soft. Advanced stretches fold forward while keeping arms lifted. A tight chest pulls your posture forward, compressing your lungs and confidence. Hold this 5 more seconds and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Do you feel taller already? That's your spine realigning. We've unlocked the front and back. Let's lengthen the sides. Stand tall, reach your right arm up and over, bending to the left. Keep your hips grounded. Breathe deep into your side. After 30 seconds, switch sides. This stretch isn't just about flexibility. It opens up your ribs so you can breathe deeper, move smoother, and carry less hidden tightness. I promise your obliques and intercostals, those little muscles between your ribs, are secret weapons for posture and power. Beginners, rest your lower hand on your thigh. Advanced stretches, press your hips in the opposite direction for a deeper stretch. Most people ignore their side body, and it's a missing link in tension relief. Let's go 5 seconds longer. Stretch even further. Feel the ribs expanding. That's oxygen reaching places it couldn't before. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.